everyone, and welcome to our middle school Chinese New Year assembly.
Today we will be coming together to celebrate the Lunar New Year, a time of family, tradition, and new beginnings. We are excited to share music, dance, and cultural performances that highlight the joy and spirit of this special holiday.
This year we celebrate the year of the horse. In the Chinese zodiac, the horse is one of 12 animals and symbolizes energy, strength, and success. People born in the year of the horse are often described as confident, hardworking, and full of enthusiasm.
The horse also represents progress and moving forward, like galloping towards new goals and new achievements. During the year of the horse, people wish for growth, success, and good fortune in everything they do.
Thank you for joining us today. Let's begin the celebration.
The bamboo dance is a traditional folk dance that celebrates teamwork, rhythm, and coordination. Dancers move in and out of long bamboo poles that open and close to the beat, creating an exciting and energetic performance.
This dance highlights cooperation, focus, and joy, all important values in both culture and community.
Next, please enjoy an instrumental performance by our sixth graders, Jasmine Flowers.
Jasmine Flower is one of the most famous traditional Chinese folk songs. It is known for its gentle melody and beautiful lyrics that praise the elegance and fragrance of the jasmine blossom.
Through this performance, you will hear the grace and charm of traditional Chinese music. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful piece.
Next, we have a fun and energetic performance for our 8th graders. Guangchan Wu, also known as square dance.
Guangshan Wu is a popular group dance in China, often performed in public squares. It brings people together through music, movement, and joy. And it shows how dance can build community and friendship.
Performance of the Chinese yo-yo.
Also known as the Diablo, the Chinese yo-yo is a traditional folk toy that combines balance, coordination, and skill. Performers use strings and sticks to spin, toss, and catch the spinning spool in amazing ways.
Get ready for some fast moves and impressive tricks.
First up, we have Eva and Oscar, who's going to show us the toss and catch. show us the wonder throw and the bridge.
Next up is Derek, who's showing us the gyroscopic flop in the under the leg trick.
Now we have Teddy, who's going to show us the whip catch.
Now we have Albert, who's showing us the gunslinger.
Let's give the yo-yo players one more round of applause. The red envelope, in Chinese called hongbao, is traditionally given as a gift to children from family and close friends on Lunar New Year. The red on the envelope symbolizes good luck and prosperity.
Now we're going to play a game. Each grade level will be its own team competing against the others. You will be given 3 minutes to try to get as many red envelopes as you can for your team.
But there's a catch. You have to use a sticky hand to grab them.
You can only get one at a time, and you cannot steal from another team. You get one attempt per turn, and then you have to move to the back of your team's line.
If you get an envelope, you can put it in the plastic bag hung on the table. Go.
Next, please welcome our choir with the song Gongxi Gongxi.
Gongxi means congratulations in Chinese, and this joyful New Year song is often sung to wish others happiness, success, and good fortune. Its cheerful melody makes it a favorite during Lunar New Year celebration.
for everybody.